Ayan. Ready. Hala. Hold it. Ito. Yan. Oh, yan. Yan. 1, 2, 3, go. Yan. Yan.
I'm a butcher. Mom, I want my towel.
Tika. Bakit ka nakatawal? Slowly lang. Lalagyan mo ng lagyan mo ng wait lang. Lagyan mo ng 2 pieces po.
Egg. Fiona skating.
Lalagyan mo ng 1 cup of so, lagyan mo ng 1 cup of ano to?
All-purpose flour.
Ayan, flour. Ayan natin yung all-purpose flour. Two cups. Dali, lagyan mo na. Lagyan mo. Mahal mo. Another cup of all-purpose flour. Go.
Next, ito.
Wait. Lalagyan natin ng
All-purpose flour inside.
okay. Lalagyan natin ng ano pa? Next is baking powder. No. Halika dito. Lagyan mo na. Ito. Ano to? Ito. Ano to?
Double acting baking powder.
Yan, double acting baking powder. Yan. Go. Sit na. Next is
Water.
no, not water. Not water. Wait lang. We'll put what do you call it? Next is vanilla.
Vanilla.
Ano to?
Vanilla is there.
Ano to? Can you read?
Vanilla is pink.
Yon, very good.
Can I put it?
Okay. Patak lang, isang patak lang. 1, 2, 3. Up. Enough na. One more. Up. Enough na. Stir mo na slowly. Slowly. I don't have to like that. Slowly ganito. Up. Up. Ganito lang.
Mama, I want it.
Slowly lang. Ganon. Slowly lang. And milk.
I want to put milk.
Dali. 1 cup of milk. Wait. Hindi pa tapos.
Can I do it?
Yan, very good. Slowly. And then, lalagyan pa natin ng a pinch of salt.
So,
Yes.
can I see? Can I get?
Wait. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, enough na.
Pepper.
Not supper. Sugar.
Sugar.
Okay.
But we don't have sugar.
Sugar. 1/4 cup of sugar. Dali.
Mama, can I do it?
Here. Lagyan natin dito na 1/4 cup of sugar. Lagyan mo ito, ha?
Close it.
Okay, put it. Yan, very good. Next, I'm going to put oil. 1 tablespoon of oil. Ay, sabi sa'yo, slowly lang eh. Sabi sa'yo, di ba? Mama said, slowly only. Like this, oh. See, I told you. Sabi sa'yo, di ba? Wait lang, wait. Nasaan na?
I want towel.
Ay, sorry. Wala ka na.
We have the biscuit.
Slowly lang ganun. I think we can do like this one. This one. Slowly lang. I think more. Yeah.
Ito.
Okay. Put more. Ito pa, lagay mo pa sa
Again.
slowly lang. Thank you. Now you can go like this. Slowly.
Mama, can I use it?
I think we need more.
I want ito.
Sorry. Dito na lang.
Ito o
Dito na lang.
what more ito?
Okay na, dito na.
Can I use it?
Sorry. Very good. Okay. Next. Wait, Mama will put. Slowly.
Mama, there's it. There's it. No, there's no stop. Stop, Mama. Stop.
Palagyan ni Mama yan.
Can I use? No, ito, Mama.
Only this one. Slowly lang. Ganyan, oh.
Mama.
Ano pa?
Awot. Play ko yung unok house.
Opo, pupunta tayo mami after we cook the hotdog. Dahil bring Kuya Uno ang pancake, no? Dadalhan natin si Unang ng pancake at saka si Do, no?
Playin ko yung unok house.
Bigyan natin ng pancake. Uno at saka si Do, no? Alright. Wait lang. Cook na. Cook na. Cook na.